Hey everyone, this is Joe with Southeastern Frontiers, and today I am hiking the Lost Sink Falls on Keel Mountain near Huntsville, Alabama. And today I am hiking with Jacob. In this video, Jacob and I hiked to the Lost Sink Falls on the west side of Keel Mountain, south of Gurley, Alabama. We have hiked this trail many times over the years, but usually in the winter, so the summery green views were new to us. The trail starts out gently climbing up and out of the valley, then levels off onto a ledge that wraps around the mountain. Finally, you gain altitude more steeply until you pass a sinkhole and then reach the Lost Falls and the sinkhole it falls into. This trail continues beyond the falls, but there's very little to see beyond. The Keel Mountain Nature Preserve, which contains the Lost Sink Falls, is a nature conservancy property that protects the habitat of some rare plants. This hike is one of our longtime favorites, and I highly recommend you check it out. Here we are at the Keel Mountain Preserve of the Nature Conservancy, and we are going to be heading up the trail that way. So off we go. The trail starts off nice and flat, following along this little creek here, and we head for the base of the mountain. You might think it's raining, but it's just the wind blowing drops of rain off the trees. The sky is clear above us, but it rained in the night last night. Yeah, the trail is a little bit overgrown along this stretch, but not too bad. We've gone up just a little bit, and now we're kind of on a little ledge, and we're going to follow this ledge around the side of the mountain for a while, I think. Well, once we get actually up on it. Got to get through the rock gardens. Yeah. All right, we are starting to climb up the mountain a little bit. Keep an eye on the signs, the Nature Conservancy yellow and green signs. It's easy to get on the wrong trail on this climb up here. Well, I don't know if it's easy. There are lots of alternate options for trails going up the slope here. I think they'll all get you there, but try to keep an eye on the signs and stay on the right one. All right, it is a steep climb up here. We are climbing. The waterfall is, part way up the side of the mountain up here, and so that's where we're headed. It's not too much further now. Got a little millipede, and right next to it, a little snail. Still climbing through the rocks. We have come upon a small sinkhole right there, and I think where we're going is just around the corner up here, so off we go. I can hear the waterfall.
Yeah, oh yeah, here we are.
There it is. This is the Lost Sink Falls. It falls from up there down into a big sinkhole and below ground into a cave. Very cool. Here we are at Lost Sink Falls on Keel Mountain.
Here's the waterfall. Here we are at the bottom of the waterfall. You can see the cave goes deeper down in that direction. And uphill to me is Dad way up there. You can see him right there. And yeah. See if I can get a better shot of this, and then I'm gonna head on out. Alrighty. Man, this is steep. There we go.
I recorded you coming up.
Oh. Nice. Whew. Oh.
That's a lot cooler down there.
Yeah. It's worth getting out though.
Uh-huh. There's another nice viewpoint of the waterfall from up here, where there's little stone ledges that are nice to sit on and eat your lunch on if you're here at lunchtime. It's a pretty waterfall. All right, say goodbye to Lost Sink Falls. We are going to head back down. Off we go. Down, down we go. Gotta watch your step in all these wet rocks. Coming down the trail here, crossing some rocks. Gotta watch your footing, it's a little slippery on these wet rocks this morning. Had a few slip ups. It's been a nice cool morning. The sun is only just getting up above the mountain, really. So that's been nice. All right, we have returned to the parking lot. That was a nice little hike this morning. Beautiful weather, sunny day, and the waterfall was running nicely. Very cool.